Hello and welcome to Book Reading with Sammy. Today we are going to read Who is That? Cat the Cat? Mini by Mo Willems. Hi, I am Cat the Cat. Meet my friends. This is Cat the Cat. We are going to meet his friends today. Who is that? Cat the Cat? It's Mouse the Mouse. Mouse the Mouse says, "Hello there." Who is that, Cat the Cat? It's Duck the Duck. Duck the Duck says, "A pleasure to see you as always." Who is that, Cat the Cat? Let's see, who is this? It's Fish the Fish. "Hey, dude," says Fish the Fish. Cat the Cat. Who is that? I don't know. Do you? Blurgy, blurgy. Maybe. Blurgy, blurgy. It's a new friend. Blurgy, blurgy. The end. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.